Hello everyone! In today's video we are going to unbox the AMD Radeon RX6600 XT graphic card, the Quicksilver 308 edition. It has 8GB of GDDR6 memory and PCIe 4.0. When you open the box, you will see that it comes with the warranty card, installation guide and the graphic card itself. So let's open the graphic card and see its design. It has 3 fans, as you can see on the video. It has 4 ports. So let's peel the plastic off and see its design. All the details for this graphic card will be written in the description box down below. Feel free to ask any questions under this video. Thank you for watching.